Hey guys, welcome back to the Web Monkey Show. It is Saturday, but I had to get this video out because if you didn't know, RankMath Pro is now out. The official premium paid version of RankMath is now out, and what I want to do in this video is to give you a very quick analysis of what the plugin does and my first impressions about the plugin. So this video is not in any way a comprehensive tutorial on how to use RankMath Pro. I will definitely make one when the time is right. So there are two paid versions. You have the Pro version, which is for $59, and then you have the business version, which is $199. And according to RankMath, well, you can see the massive difference between the free version and the paid version of RankMath Pro. There is so much more available features like, advanced Google Analytics integration, keyword rank tracker, and so on. So what I've done here is I actually went ahead to buy the paid version and I installed it on my actual blog, thewebmonkeyonline.com. So I'm going to compare the paid version with the free version that I've installed on one of my sample websites, thelonenomad.com. And the biggest, I would say the biggest new functionality provided by RankMath Pro is the fact that you now have Google Analytics and Google Search Console embedded on your website. You no longer have to go to Google Analytics or Google Search Console websites to find out all the information. Everything is in here. So for example, you can see right now that my search traffic in the last 30 days has dropped by 593. I'm getting 3,180 impressions. Or I'm sorry, 1,601 impressions. Search traffic is 3,108, and got my average position of 6.73, which is not too bad. But then over here, this is fantastic. Okay, so you've got the all keywords and then tracked keywords, and then the top winning keywords. This basically tells you which keywords you're using that's actually performing very well in Google. So mine in this case right now is MailChimp tutorial, Elementor tutorial, MailChimp WordPress. My top losing keywords are, well, Monkey Web, MailChimp tutorial 2020, Why Elementor, WordPress, Monkey. So I may need to work on those keywords. But here is where things begin to get a bit iffy with the plugin, and the plugin does need to do some fixing. There's some bugs associated with the plugin at the moment. So you see right here where you have top 5 winning posts, I'm supposed to be able to see the top 5 posts of mine that are doing really well in Google, but I'm also supposed to be able to see the top 5 losing posts as well, the posts that are not doing quite as well, the posts where I will need to do a lot of work on. It's not pulling in that information. And in fact, to be honest with you, when I first installed RankMath Pro, even though I went to general settings, I came down here to analytics, and then right here I connected my website with my Google Search Console and then also with my analytics account. But the thing is, I waited for a whole day and it did not pull in the data from Google. I had to come down here to now click on update data manually. So if you decide to buy RankMath Pro right now and you connect Google Analytics with your RankMath Pro plugin and it's not pulling in the data from Google, you will need to come down here and click on update data manually. I did that, and within a few hours I started getting some results. So that's one bug that needs to be fixed with the plugin. The plugin should be able to pull in data automatically from Google Analytics. So that's the I will say the biggest addition with the RankMath Pro. Of course, you've got things like your SEO performance as well, total keywords that you are gaining with keywords that you're losing. You've got the actual keywords here themselves, the search impressions, and then right here you've got the top 5 winning keywords, like I said, and then you'll also have the rest of the keywords that are, maybe not doing quite as well. You have the impressions, clicks, position. This is really, really a fantastic addition with RankMath Pro. It is truly excellent. One other issue I do have though is with the rank tracker. So what you can do is you can actually come in here, click on add, and then simply add a keyword that you're actually working with on your site and then see how well it's performing. So I tried with Elementor tutorial and it told me that the position is on number 20, which is actually true because it's right here. So number 20 is usually page 3. The first result on page 3 will be number 20. So It's right here, the complete elementor tutorial. So it's accurate. It actually told me the truth. But when I typed in other keywords like MailChimp, WordPress security plugins, these are keywords I'm actually ranking for. You can see right now I'm getting no results. So this is another thing that RankMath needs to work on. They do have additional functionalities added. For example, if you go to titles and meta, right here where you have the global meta for your post types, let me just show you with the free version. So you go to titles and meta. With the free version, you only have the ability to add an open graph thumbnail and then choose for your Twitter card type whether you want to go with a large image or just a summary card. But with the paid version, you can actually add a custom image watermark. Now, I haven't tested this, but I assume that if your images are shared on social media, it will have the custom image watermark that you do add in here. One other major contribution or new functionality added by RankMath Pro is going to be the schema templates. You can now actually create schemas for a variety of different kinds of content. So say, for example, you wanted to create a schema for your articles, books, carousel, course, dataset. Everything is in here. You can import schemas from other places. You can even create your own custom schema as well. And again, this is bloody fantastic. Unfortunately, I'm going to need some time to actually take a proper look and really see how this works and how to make the best use of it. So don't worry, I'm going to do all my research. I'm going to do all the hard work, and then I'll make a full video describing how all of this works. Just one more thing in closing. If you go to your posts now, let me just quickly show you what I'm talking about. Let's go to the Lone Nomad. Let's pick one of the posts in here. Okay, so I do have kind of like the same post. Okay, so this one is how to perform WordPress penetration testing. I'm going to choose the exact same post on my actual website where I do have RankMath Pro. So you will notice that right here, with the free version, you can only edit the snippet. You don't have access to the analytics link. With the paid version of RankMath Pro, you now have your analytics button in here that you can click on, and then this will take you to the page and then show you how well this particular page or this particular post is performing. And it will even show you the page speed on desktop and then the page speed on mobile as well. This might take a few seconds for the results to pop out, but you're going to see them in just a second. Oh, and here's another upcoming feature that RankMath Pro will add eventually, where you will have SEO suggestions, periodically analyze a post. It's coming eventually. So I'm just waiting just to show you the page speed score for this particular post. And come on. It normally takes like 5 seconds. I don't know why it's taking longer now. Maybe because I'm recording. All right. Anyway, one other thing you would notice too is that you now have this button right here where you have the focus keyword. You can click on this button right here with the RankMath Pro. And then right here, you can actually find out the trends of the keyword, how well it's trending. So instead of WordPress penetration testing, I can say WordPress pen test, for example. I can add that and then see how well a similar keyword is trending. So you can see right now, it seems to be trending quite well. On 19th of October, there was 96 searches for it. So maybe this is a keyword that I can now use in place of the first keyword that I chose by simply using Google Trends, by checking out which keywords are trending more. So that's available with the RankMath Pro. With the free version of RankMath, if you try clicking on the button in here, well, it simply takes you to the page where you're being asked to buy the paid version of RankMath. Still no page speed score in here. This is very, very disappointing. Let me try to refresh the page. We definitely should get a page speed score because it's been working for me and I don't know why all of a sudden it's not working anymore. Oh, okay. So right now you can see the page score. It now says 53. Initially it wasn't saying anything, but now it says 53. Content score is 81, which is not bad at all. Typically you can try to aim for like 90 if possible, but don't get too hung up on trying to score 100 for your content score or your page score. And okay, so it's not, for some reason, it's not showing the page speed score. I don't know why. But hey, it is what it is. The plugin is new, it has some bugs, and it's only natural. I mean, whenever you have a new plugin being released, especially a plugin with the amount of functionality that RankMath Pro has, it's going to take a few weeks for the developers to actually make sure the plugin works properly across all kinds of websites, and it works well with all kinds of plugins and so on. So it's going to take a while. And I have joined their official Facebook group specifically for members who have purchased the RankMath Pro plugin. And of course, right here, it says, PS, we're actively fixing the reported issues. And even today, we released a new update. We seek your patience and understanding as the response is tremendous of the Pro version, and blah, 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 blah. So they're basically working on the bugs. So if you were to ask me, should you buy RankMath Pro? At the moment, I will say no. Save your money. Don't buy RankMath Pro just yet. Give it a few weeks, let them fix all these issues, and then you can decide to buy RankMath Pro. RankMath Pro isn't going anywhere. It's here to stay, so don't worry. I know that they do have some very enticing offers available. If you decide to buy now, you have the special launch offer where they're offering additional promotions with like SEMrush and My Theme Shop, ACF, and so on. If you want to go ahead and buy RankMath Pro right now and take advantage of this offers, you could do so if you want to, but my honest opinion, I will say don't buy RankMath Pro just yet. There are quite a number of bugs the plugin does have. Wait for a few weeks, and then you can eventually decide to buy the plugin. Of course, I'm going to be on the lookout as well. I'm going to make sure that once the plugin is fully set and fully ready to go, I'm going to make a full extensive tutorial on how to use RankMath Pro and how to use all the available features with the plugin. But that's my first impression of the plugin. I think it's a great start, definitely a massive improvement over the free version, and I can't wait until all the bugs have been fixed. And I think this is truly going to be, without question, the best plugin for WordPress SEO. So if you have any questions, comments, put them down in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. It is Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. Have a great time, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.